Is your Chevy Traverse backup camera flickering or showing a blank screen when you shift into reverse? Studies show that over 70% of these camera failures are caused by simple wiring harness fatigue in the liftgate. Let's break down how to diagnose and fix this without spending a fortune at the dealership. Start by cleaning the lens, checking your fuses, and performing a hard system reset by disconnecting the battery. If the reset fails, check for broken wires in the liftgate hinge, a dead camera module, or outdated system software. Inspect the wiring bundle for pinches, check the connector for voltage, and look for any signs of water intrusion. Simple fixes like cleaning or resetting are free, but professional wiring repairs or module programming will cost shop rates. This chart shows the massive price difference between a quick DIY reset and a full professional hardware replacement. If you decide to dig deeper, make sure you have a multimeter and trim tools ready to access those tight areas. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before working on electrical components and wearing eye protection. Remember, don't rush the wiring diagnosis. Most intermittent camera issues are just a simple loose ground connection. If this guide helped fix your Traverse, hit subscribe for more maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides.